everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Diva-Me-Please, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Merry Christmas, guys! This may be before or after Christmas, I'm not sure yet, but I hope you had a wonderful holiday and you received everything that you asked for. The most important thing is being thankful for another day and another year to celebrate this holiday. So without further ado, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out my last video. Check out that fall freestyle as well as the Your Nail Lab by McCart unboxing. Make sure you check out these videos of how I did my Christmas nails. They also glow in the dark. So let's go ahead, come closer so we can check out what I bought from Amazon. So you very well may be interested in purchasing these items for yourself. I would definitely recommend it. It can make your life a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. Alright, starting off, I bought some short square tips. These come in handy when you have clients that come in that want short nails, any type of short styles. I do believe you'll be able to achieve that with these square nails. So you can do square, you can do coffin, and you can even get to stiletto as well as almond for all of my short nail girls out there. So you don't want to waste your long tips. I mean, you can kind of reuse them depending on how long they want their nails, but I don't want to do all of that, so I just purchased some short tips so it's easier for me to not have to really clip much down, or it is a perfect length for them. I purchased a new desk lamp. So that's what it looks like. I don't remember how much these items were, so I'll definitely link them down in the description box below so that you can just click it and add it to your cart. So I purchased this one because it is rechargeable, so there is not a cord going to be sticking out. I love that idea, so I'm already working with a really small space, so everything that I can keep less cluttered around me, it will help so much. And this is supposed to even make it like almost 10 times brighter than your normal desk lamp. So it has 3 color temperatures. It is a brightness stepless adjustment, brightness memory function. It has a super small base, maybe the size of my palm or smaller. It is a 2200 mAh large capacity battery, so I believe that means it will be able to last a long time before it needs to be charged. It has a charging and inserting dual use, so that means it may possibly mean you may be able to plug up your, say, iPhone or well, maybe not iPhone because they have a different base now, of the lightning base, but maybe you'll be able to plug up something that you'll be able to charge if you need it. And then they also have auto dimming, so it's a sensor at the bottom of the lamp that helps automatically adjust the brightness according to the surrounding environment area. So I can't wait to get this and put this on my desk. I'm probably going to set it up today, and then I'll do a video updating you guys on what my space looks like really freaking soon. So stay tuned, guys. So I also bought some multi-purpose silicone mats. So I know I mentioned this before in my nail supply haul video. If you haven't checked that out, I'm gonna link it here for you guys to go check out and see what I got from the nail supply stores here in Orlando. So I bought these silicone mats to put on my desk because my clients, they like to rest their hands, and when they rest their hands, they put their body weight into their arms and their hands for some reason, and it causes their arm to start creeping towards me, and it causes me to pull back and try to continue the work the best way that I can. So I'm hoping, let's see, I'm hoping that this will help and keep them from pushing. Oh, this is a good size, perfect. So this silicone down here should not move on the glass that I'm working on, and then I'll be able to put my dental bib over the top and then put the armrest, and it should keep them from moving. I can't wait to show you guys. So cross your fingers and hope that this freaking works. So I got a pink one and I got a blue one. Which one do you guys think I should use? The blue or the pink? I personally want to use the blue because that's more my favorite color, but pink may look a little bit better. Make sure guys you leave that comment down below. I'm gonna be looking for it, okay? And I'm gonna call y'all out if y'all don't comment. And then we got some little tools. Not really sure what you would use these for, but you got some tools. These I can see me using to put my face mask on, but I'm not sure what else you can possibly use these for. I purchased a Kiara Skye nail brush. It is a size 10, which is the biggest size as of right now that I have been using. It is so pretty, guys. Let me pull it out for you guys. Look at that. It is so pretty. So the size 10 is the biggest brush that I have used, even though the nail brush that I received when I was working at Bunny's is a size 12. But once I get, like I said in my video of the nail supply haul, I will be showing you guys in comparison what this brush looks like, a size 10 Kiara Skye brush versus the size 12 Bunny's brush that we received when we were working at Bunny's. So the size 12 is, you'll see, you guys stay tuned. I will be uploading that in most likely the new year, so make sure you guys stay on the lookout for that, and I'll give you a very detailed comparison between the two brushes. I can't wait to break this out, guys. I bought two size tapered, large tapered barrel bit. So this was recommended to me from one of the nail techs at Bunny's. She was the more experienced one, and she recommended these for sealing the cuticle. I love giving things a new shot just to see what works best for me. As of right now, I have been using a fine 5-in-1 bit to seal the cuticle, and then I go behind and use my sanding band to seal it as well. So I bought two of these, and I can't wait to try them out to see how they work for me. And then last but not least, I bought some more gel polishes. And these gel polishes work as a 2-in-1. So they are a reflective glitter as well as cat eye. So I have 12 colors. Let me get up and come closer to you guys so that I can show you the colors. So this is like a silver color, a silver sparkly color. This is a gold. A gold sparkly color. And of course I'll do some swatches for you guys so that you can truly see what this looks like. This is a pink sparkly color to show you the reflective and cat eye effect on them. This is like a rose gold. This is like a teal color. This is a blue. This is a purple. I am so excited that I found these and can't wait to give them a shot. So this is like a darker gold. Because I've been seeing so many of the reflective gel polish nail art out there. This is a red, a darker red. This is a blue silver-like color. So when I found these on Amazon, sparkling cat eye, reflective cat eye, as well as cat. So this is a darker red. And last but not least, this is a black with sparkle. This is going to wrap up this Amazon haul unboxing, everything that I purchased for and to continue my nail journey. I hope some of these items help you along in your nail journey as well. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below of what else you'd like to see on my channel. Share this with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Rae-DivaMePlz so that you're all caught up on the work that I have been doing. I have so many amazing and pretty sets that I have recently done that I'm sure you guys would love as well. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload at least twice a week. And I'm sure there's so much content on my channel that you will love, that you would enjoy, and will be super helpful for you in your journey. So until next time, guys, bye!